Hi ma'am, I'm Johanna Phoebe Ibo and this is my reaction video about social responsibility. So the question is, what have you done or what do you plan to do for the community that you believe allows you to fulfill your social responsibility? So first, ito muna is that I'm into school muna po kasi and yun lang yung um, binibigyan ko ng focus po talaga yung school and my school works and second is yung sa simbahan which I'm helping din po sa simbahan na kapag merong mga gagawin ngayon doon, merong mga needs na like magbibigay ng supplies to people, dun po nag-help po ako if kailangan. But in community, like if I have given a chance to join them para meron din po akong tulong to other people, is that I'll grab that opportunity. As I've seen here sa Batu, I'd say na maraming mga bata ang hindi nakapag-aral because of financially unstable. May mga nakikita ko na bata pa lang nagtitinda na and hindi makapag-aral because nga yan, financially unstable. So ang naisip ko, if ever man na pwede akong tumulong, I will use my skills, my voice, para turuan sila in a free way. Like, I know I'm not only the youth na gustong mag-help din sa community, but also other people na gusto din tumulong talaga sa community natin. And it's not also about the community. It's also about the future of the children's na may mga gusto din na malaki din yung mga pangarap nila na hindi ma-fulfill just because of walang sapat na pera. So, first, ito yung stepping stone, I think, na gusto kong sabihin kasi I feel like madami din ang makaka-relate nito, yung pagkaroon ng free education. Kunti lang kami or merong nagpa-plan pero hindi pa magawa sa ngayon because of busy din. So, yun yung first na gagawin ko if ever man. And yun, gagawin kong itong skills ko na meron ako ngayon, i-share ko to others. I will help others then. I don't have any experience by now, but the eagerness to help people, yun yung magbibigay sa akin or magpupush sa akin to do that. Fulfilling this social responsibility means to others. May isip nila na even if ganito lang, gano'n man kahirap yung life, someone is may willing i-help sila. By supporting them, teaching them, uplifting others is already a win situation. It's not about your future, but it's about the future of our community, my community rather.